Hello friends. Today when my mother was leaving for market, I wanted to ask her, Mama, when will you return back? But I did not ask. You know why? Oh no, my mother would not be upset because of this question. I did not ask because it was wrong. It was grammatically wrong. Yes, return back. A phrase which many people use incorrectly. How? The word return itself means coming back to someone. We are returning, repeating something, so coming back. So when we say return back, already the person is returning, we are using with it back. So actually it's the same word used 2 times. So that's why the phrase is wrong. Return back. So now onwards, if you have to ask someone, you will say, when will you return? That's it, not return back. Similarly, if you are writing an email to someone, please do not write, reply back to me. Reply. Okay? Reply me. Respond me. Reply me. Return. That's it. So when will you return? When will you reply? When will you respond? We will not say when will you return back, when will you reply back, when will you respond back. With these words, we don't use the word back. So I hope you have got it now, and next time whenever you are writing emails or text or SMS, WhatsApp messages, or just asking anyone, say when will you return. Thank you. This is Anushree signing off.